Okay, so if you're looking for a house that has lots of light and lots of windows, this is not the house for you. But if you're looking for a house with a more traditional Sicilian house that happens to be neighbors with a castle, this is the house for you. So we're calling this the Castle House. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house with a traditional sitting and entertainment room and working fireplace. And it is neighbors with the castle here in Salemi. So let's go inside and take a look. So there's your neighbor there, the castle. And we'll go in from here. This is your front entryway. So again, move-in ready. This door goes to a separate apartment that's somehow connected but not a part of the property. In here, you have a large entertaining space. The kitchen is downstairs, but they have some small entertainment space over here and a working fireplace. This looks out onto the back alley. And again, the castle's right there. So this is where you would entertain. And then the nighttime space is down these stairs. And then on this floor, you have a nice sized bedroom here. A small sitting area, maybe here. Another small bedroom. They're using it as a laundry right now. You have a full-size bathroom here. And then a very large kitchen here. What's out here is a small atrium. There is hookups that you could put your laundry out there. It does have covering on it, or maybe you can put some plants there. It's an interesting little space. Okay, this house also comes with bonus storage in the back of the property, so it's underneath the property. So we're gonna go in here. Traditional doors. Now this part of the property, unfortunately, the ceilings are too low to deem it as livable, rentable space. So you're not going to be able to do that. But if you have hobbies, as an example, the owner used to be a tailor. So that's why you see these sewing machines here. So that's what they were using it for. And then this large area here. Now you could use this personally and, you know, create your own maybe man cave down here, but you cannot rent it out. The water tank is right there, so you can see, and there is the motor that pumps the water up into the house. Some water situation over there that probably needs rectified. But it's a large space if you have hobbies and need a work area or just want to use it as storage. That's what this space is for. And this comes with the property. This courtyard could also, it's a shared little courtyard here, but you could do something wonderful, putting plants. Nobody's going to stop you from putting plants and little chairs and things out here too, to enjoy it. So to recap, this is the house next to the castle. It has 2 bedrooms, big eat-in kitchen, and a floor that's more entertaining with the fireplace. Right now, it's on the market for $55,000, negotiable. So if you're interested in this or any of the other properties I show, be sure to get in touch.